Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account in Indeed. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you're going to head over to Indeed.com. So we're just going to click on Indeed right here. And then from this page, you're going to click on Sign In. Now, from the Sign In page, you can choose to sign in or create an account. So what we're going to do is you're going to continue either with Google or Apple, or you can also just do email address. Now, from here, I'm going to continue with Google, and then I'm going to use this email that I have. I'm going to click on continue. Now it's going to start creating my account since I don't have any account associated with my Google yet. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to verify your phone number to continue. So you're going to add in your phone number right here. Now, once you're done verifying your phone number, it will now start asking information from you, such as where you are located. So you're just going to have to enter your city or state right here, as well as your zip code. And then you can also toggle this I'm not interested in remote work so that no remote work will be, will come up in your dashboard. Now from there, they're going to ask you what is the minimum pay that you're looking for. We're just going to type in the minimum base pay that we want here. So let's say I want to get at least 500 pesos per hour. We're going to hit on continue. And then you're going to choose what type of job you're interested in. So for example, I want to have a full-time job. I'm going to click on continue after, and then you're going to type in here the exact jobs that you're looking for. You're going to make sure that you enter specific job titles, and you can add up to 10. So we're just going to add one for this one. I'm going to type in virtual assistant or maybe some kind of an editor. But for this one, let's just put virtual assistant, and then we can add another right here if you want. But I'm just going to delete that. Next, we're going to head on continue. And then from here, you can start to connect with employers. So you can either choose employers can find you on Indeed, or you only those employers that you have applied can see you on Indeed. So only if you apply to the job posting will the employer see you. But for employers, for this one, employers can find you on Indeed. Your profile would be like a public profile wherein employers can see you even if you don't apply to them. Now you're going to hit on continue. And then from there, it's going to start saving your preferences and gathering a list of jobs for you. Now, as you can see here, we have now created an account. And that's it. That is how you're going to create an account on Indeed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.